strokes it into the gap for a single.
That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise.
The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field.
Oh, shot, but only a single.
Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. That was a quick single. Nice running between the wickets.
That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise. That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise.
There is a fielder at cover. That is a very quick single taken. They're converting ones into twos and twos into threes here. That is excellent running. That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. They're packed one side, making the batsmen go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy.
That has made some serious damage.
No ball called by the umpire. Free hit is coming up. Oh, he picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up all the way. Pacer introduced from the other end. There is a fielder at cover. It's nicely timed. Will only get one though. He's calling for two. That is excellent run by the wickets. The bowler is bowling from his favorite end. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant. That is a very good lead by the batsman. Looks like there will be a lot of slow balls. Not just a forcing. Brilliant pickup and throw, and that looks out. Has to walk back to the pavilion. shot, but only a single. They're converting ones into twos and twos into threes here. That is excellent running. Slips in place.
Oh, that was a seriously quick ball.
The field has been open and the batsman is looking to get this in. They are calling for two. That is excellent running.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite team.
Plays and misses. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Great shot. He has dispatched that, and the fielder can only watch it land into the crowd.
Can he do it again?
Pacer introduced from the other end.
He is arguably one of the best hitters in world cricket.
They have run the first one quick. That is excellent running between the wickets. Slips in place. Trying to up the run rate there, a very loose shot in the end. Got the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
They have run the first one quickly and should be looking for two. That is excellent running between the wickets. Looks like there will be a lot of slow balls coming. That's a nasty delivery. Must have hurt. He read the length perfectly. That is a beautiful six.
Inform fast bowler into the deck now. Expect some serious chin music.
Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. That's gone high in the air, and that's gonna clear the boundary for a six.
He seems to have carried his form from the last match. That is six. That is just magnificent batting. There is no better sight than watching him bat at his best.
That was a quick single. Nice running between the wickets.
That is huge beer. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise.
What a match this has been. It's a jam-packed stadium here today, witnessing an edge of the seat thriller here. That is a very quick signal taken.
That is huge beer. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise.
The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he holds to his feet. Nudges it for a single. Slips in place. And that's it. A brilliant performance from the bowlers. They've bowled good lines all day. In the end,
Let's crash.